What is up, YouTube, aka Baconators? So today we're gonna be opening some deep bass headphones, and hopefully this will increase gaming setup for some of my videos, and some of you may know if you watch like my old videos like 5 months ago or something like that. Um, I've uploaded Minecraft videos, but if you want to see that like a full complete series, and I'm not talking about like 1 episodes, the series is over. I'm talking about a full complete series. Make sure to comment yes in the comment section, and if we can get to 5 likes, I am going to upload a Minecraft series. 5 likes. That's all I'm asking. So yeah, alright, let's get to the opening. That was easy. Okay, get the trash out of the way. Hold on. Okay, let me get these out. Oh, they come in another box. What? No, sorry. Lord's trying to help me, but. Right. Oh, right. I got them out. Oh, wait, what the heck? Where's the cable? Oh, it's in there. It's in there. How did I take it out, though? I'm just gonna rip open the box. Yeah, hey. Oh no. I thought I was gonna have to pause the video, but. Nope. Just rip it easily. Okay, so. Yeah, the headphones. The head jack. Let me untie these real quick. It's come with like a little plastic thing. Right, here here they are. Here they are. Right. So I am going to put them on right now. And yeah, okay. Shoot. Record me. Record me, yeah. Sideways. Okay. Just 1 second. Oh yeah, you could adjust them size you want. Put a max. Okay. You feel pretty good, but now let's put it to the test for the hearing sound. Give me this. I'm gonna pause the video real quick, and then I'm gonna resume it so I can listen to a YouTube video. And I'm back, and let's hear it. It sound pretty loud. Is it max volume? Oh, I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but that is max volume. So you can see max volume, but that is pretty loud for $10 headphones. And yeah, they're pretty loud. Like I could hear them clearly. It sounds loud even at just. Oh shit. Yeah, it sounds pretty loud like that. So they are wired. Make you understand. Okay. They are pretty loud. They do the job for $10. You could adjust them. I'm pretty sure you can bend them. Where's my? Oh no! I lost the box. No, here it is. You could read right here. Where is it? Adjustable fit. But what does that mean? Can you bend them? No, I don't think you can bend them. No, they're gonna break. Can they? No, but you could move these. I'm pretty sure. What? Hold on, I need to read this correctly. Dynamax, spoon, adjustable fit, rotating ear cups. See, you rotating ear cups. These are the ear cups. It can't move them. Hold up. I put the max already. I don't know what that's about, but hold up. No. The heck? No, I don't think. Well, I think it could, but I don't know how to do it. Yeah, hold up. Click one spin. Oh yeah, I forgot to put this. This is this little thing right there, and that little thing will, if you click it once, it'll play and pause music or answer calls. I'm pretty sure. Click twice. Fast forward to the next song or video. Click 3 times to skip the previous video. The previous what? Okay, let me try that quick, and I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna put lock, and yeah, and I'm back. All right, I'm gonna be watching my Pokemon opening 10 video. If you haven't watched it, make sure to go ahead and watch it. Right now, it's on pause. See, it's on pause, and I'm gonna click the button. I don't know if you can see it. I clicked it, and look, it starts. Click it again. Just pause, and if you kill it twice, one of my old videos. I clicked twice, and you see me that I did not. Let me click it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Move my old videos. Hold up. Click it. It says click 3 times, right? Click 3 times to skip to the previous song. Hold up. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Hold up. 1, 2, I hold it. Okay, so I don't know what the 3 click is about, but yeah, I don't. It says it comes with a microphone. I'm gonna put that to the test. Okay. Let me go to videos. I'm gonna record myself while recording myself, and I'll be ready. Alright, so right here I'm recording myself on the phone, on the phone, and what the heck? Alright, I'm gonna whisper into the microphone, and hopefully it will catch it.